Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be doing an updated debt tracker. Now a lot of people have been asking for this because we have not updated my debt tracker, and I think it's either at the beginning of this year or the end of last year is when the last time we did a debt tracker, which is very sad, but I have been pushing a lot. I have hit some wins. I have not hit some wins, which is, it sucks, but you know, we're going to keep trucking along. All of this debt that you see here is only my debt. If you guys want to see Jared's debt, since you know we are married and everything, I can include that in the next debt update. The only debt that Jared has is he has a car. Part of the house is his, but I already added the house right here. He has a truck. My wedding ring and engagement ring, or wedding band and my engagement ring, that is on his. I think he has maybe like $1,800 out of like $3,000 left. And then he also has a Best Buy card, which should almost be paid off, maybe like $400 left or something like that. So if you guys want me to include Jared's debt as well, since we are married, I am more than welcome to do that next video. If you are new to my channel, please consider you know, subscribing, commenting. I'm actually very tired. It's Friday and I actually took a 2-hour nap as soon as I got home from work. It was a very, very long day, very tiring. It was very busy all day. But anyways, I wanted to do this video because I know a lot of people have been asking for it and I have been asking for it myself, I know. So first off, we are going to just go over the debt, the balance that I did have, and the balance I have. Now the balance that I did have is from what I wrote down on July 4th of 2022. So this year, literally 2 months ago. And then we'll do the difference if y'all would like. All right, so first off, if you see anything that says SL, all of these SLs, those are all my student loans. Fingers crossed that I will get granted the $20,000 Pell Grant loan. And if so, then that means that I only owe $1,000 in debt for the student loans. I am currently at total wise, and we'll do the breakdown. Total wise, it's $21,000 is how much I have. So if I get $20,000 wiped clean, then I only owe $1,000. So we are going to, you know, be patient, see what happens, and then go from there. Capital One is my credit card. So I have two credit cards. I have a Capital One and I have a Chase. So my Capital One is what I have had for years. I love it. I get cash back and everything, but I have built up a hefty balance from it. So we're going to we want to pay it off. And then my plan is, a lot of people put a lot of their expenses on the credit card, on the Capital One, and then pay it off and get rewards. That's a lot of people that I watch on here, watch on TikTok and everything. That is how they do it. I'm not sure if I want to do it, but who knows, I might. And then Chase is my other credit card that I have. Chase, I get rewards back for Disney. Jared and I are very active on Disney. We're about to go on our Disney trip next month and we're super excited. I won't be using this credit card because I just don't want to. It is actually almost maxed out, which is really sad. But anyway, so we are not going to be using it, but we are going to be paying it off. And it is a very hefty one too. And then car, of course, it's my car that I just recently got in June. And then house is what we got, I think, 2 years ago. So we are going to be updating that. And then I do like the debt snowball from Dave Ramsey. So I did list all of them from highest to lowest. So we're just going to go right into it. Now the first SL, oh, let me just update. I did pay off one of, actually, I'll let y'all know in a minute. I paid off one credit card. I did have 3 credit cards and I paid off the American Eagle credit card. Officially paid that off. I think it was in June or so. Maybe I did do a debt update. I'm not sure. If I do, I'll link it down below or at the end of this video so y'all can see everything else. But anyways, I did pay off one of the credit cards, one of the 3 credit cards that I did have. So that is wiped out. That is clean. That is off my hands. That was a 9-year credit card and that is gone. And I cut it up and I think it closed out anyways a year or so ago. So I couldn't use my card anyways. right, so first off is the student loans AD. So the balance from that was $390. The minimum is $0 because of the interest and everything else. And the additional that I did put in was $390, and we paid that credit card off. So that is awesome. So another debt wiped out, clean from my hands. So next one is student loan AB, and the balance was $1,262.63. Now the additional, which I shouldn't have done that, this was from July. Let me go back and redo that. That was the balance in July, and then the new balance is $1,069.68. And that difference is right now would be $192.95. So that is how much we have paid off in 2 months, is $192.95 and plus $390, which is awesome. The next ones I have not touched because of Dave Ramsey and everything, we are trying to knock out the biggest or the smallest bills, and then I will actually go in a little bit deeper at the end of the video about the student loans and what I'm thinking about doing. I want y'all's input, y'all advice and everything. So student loan AA is the same, and that is a balance of $1,865.80. And then student loan AF, we have $2,250. AC, we have $2,429.52. AH is $3,000. And then Capital One, it was $3,993.80. And we have a balance of $3,882.32. The minimum payment is usually around $84, so we did put in an additional $111.48. Student loans AE is going to be the same with $4,385. And then student loan AG is going to be $6,000. Chase was at $7,490. And sadly, I did have a balance. Well, that was what it was back in July. And now my balance is $7,615.78. Now I do have a subscription, a $4.99 subscription that does come out, and I also have the $49 annual fee that came out as well. So it did bump that up a little bit as for sure. And I don't remember what else, probably interest and all that stuff, because I do have a balance that is going to be due, and then interest is super high. It's like $100 and something, which is really bad. I know, so that is probably why it is bumped up now. Car it was roughly around $54,000, and we are at $52,876.18. So I'm just gonna say it was $54,000 minus $52,876.18. So we put an additional $1,123.82. So that is pretty good. And that is just paying the minimum. And the minimum right now that I'm paying is $800. Now, let's just be clear. I have addressed this multiple times. So I mostly put extra money towards car. I know a lot of people are going to be like, go ahead and put it, you know, towards something else. But no, I want to put it towards principal. That is just my logic. I do put $200 towards principal. So it is, my minimum payment is around $600. It's like $604 after fees and everything. And then I put an extra $200. So just to let y'all know, I don't want y'all to, you know, bad talk me or anything like that, saying you should put the $200 towards like one of these other debt to, you know, pay it off quicker and everything else. But that's just my logic, you guys. All right, and then house was at $163,670 $163,670.84, and we are at $162,690.77. So that is a difference of $980.07, and we do pay $870. Jerry and I split between, it's like $400 and something a month for us. I can never remember. I know it's like $418 times 2, so $436 a piece. Now that is our current balance so far for our debt update. So we're going to go ahead and hopefully I don't mess this up, but we are going to go ahead and check on our total. So we're not going to do the $390 because we did pay that off. So we have $1,069.68 plus $1,865.80 plus $2,250 plus $2,429.52 plus $3,000 plus $3,882.32 plus $4,385 plus $6,000 plus $7,615.78 plus $52,876 plus $162,670 or $690. So we are at, drum roll please, $248,065.05. So that is our current debt right now. And in the past 2 months, we have paid off, let's see, 2 plus 890, $2,798.32. So that is how much we paid in just 2 months. Probably less than 2 months because it is September. Is it September 9th today or September 10th? It's one of those days, you guys. But so just to recap, our debt total is $248,065.05. We made a total for the past 2 months from July 4th to September, whatever day it is. I'm going to leave it on the screen. $2,798.32. We did pay off one credit card in the month since July, and then we are trucking along with this one, the student loans. So my thing is that I have $21,000 in student loans. Granted that I do get the $20,000, I'm still going to have $1,000 left over that I do have to pay. So what should I do, you guys? Should I go ahead and just pay $1,000 and have a balance of $69.68 for this one, and then pray that I do get wiped out of $20,000? So then then it will be completely paid off. Or should I just go ahead and start at the Capital One and knock that out, not knock that out, but start putting money towards this debt while I wait to hear from the student loans? What should I do, you guys? I really do need y'all's help. That would be most appreciated. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. It is a long time coming. I really think I did do another one. If I do, I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen or in the description. But anyways, I love you guys, and I thank you so much for your love and support. Let me know how much debt y'all are doing, and let me know what debt you are going to be focusing on right now. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye.